Hi everyone, this is Chuck's FTW's Harry FTO, and ultimately, this is the last episode for today. And yes, of course, my city just ended up. I lost my city. So let me talk about it. This was time I had to do this, and I had to capture a city to become a landmaster, but unfortunately, this city was broke, and now I can't even recapture the land. Not to mention, maximum round values are so long. It took time, and that means I have to cancel and replace it with Angry Birds Go. So I'm sorry, but this was the last episode. Something like to a certain city, and yeah, I lost it. I could not even take a roof reach. So Bloons Monkey City is canceled. The episode 4 is the finale, so this is the finale. So it was thank you. Now I'm going back. Now I'm going to play Angry Birds Star Wars. Thank you. So, thanks to Bloons Monkey City, I'm so gone. So, goodbye. Bloons Monkey City. See you me again.